Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by today's title, you already know what we're doing. I'm just gonna keep recording for you guys and push out these videos because I want to be so consistent, and my goal is to hit 10k subscribers. So if you watch this right now, you're not subscribed, then subscribe for me. I'm so close, so yeah. I'm just gonna be recording as much as possible because I know I'm doing some stuff today, so I'm just gonna record as much as I can. But yeah, I'm about to just get ready right now. I'm not going nowhere spectacular, so I'm just throw a simple outfit on, and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along with me like I always do. Stay tuned for the next clip. Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian. But yeah guys, so I just finished brushing my teeth and stuff, and I don't know if I told you guys, but I am going to the mall. That's what I'm getting ready for right now. I have to pick up my iPad, so I finally invested and folded and bought an iPad because I needed to edit better and stuff, because I have a really old iPad. I don't even know what year it is, but it was my mother's old one, and it's on its last thread right now because it's really slow. There's no storage on it, and yeah, it's just time to upgrade. So I went and bought the iPad Air, I believe. It's in the lavender color, the pastel purple. And yeah, I got it with the student deal that's going on right now. So I don't know if y'all know about it, but Apple has a deal where you can get $100 off, I think it's the iPad, iMac, and some more stuff, but it's also included a $100 gift card. So I bought that with the deal for the students, and $100 off the iPad Air plus the $100 gift card. So I did pick up instead of getting it delivered. So I'm about to go there right now and get it. The gift card comes into my email, but when I get there, I'm gonna redeem the gift card and buy the Apple Pen. So yeah, that's the plan. And if anything else happens today, of course I'm gonna record it, because like I said, I am in a consistent mode right now, and I'm really trying to reach 10k. And I just love recording. I love vlogging, so every time I go somewhere that's not work or just sitting at home, I'm definitely going to record for you guys. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and that's the plans for today. I think I might stop at Target, but we'll see about that. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm dressed and ready to go to the mall to pick up my iPad.
Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you, oh no.
I'm putting y'all on. This shirt is from Shein, and if y'all can see, this is the back of the shirt, but I put it as the front because the design is in the front, and it looks better like that. I'm about to decide what I'm about to do to my hair. I don't know if I should leave it like this or do a style. I'm trying to get more into doing styles with my braids, because I be wanting braids all the time, but I don't be doing nothing to them. I just have them like this. So yeah, I'm gonna get used to doing some type of styles. What should I do right now? I'm about to just put it like a half up, half down, how I had in my last video, because I like half up, half downs. Maybe to the side instead of in the middle. Which side should I do? I'm try this side. And I'm gonna just do my edges real quick. And yeah, I use edge booster.
Tissue before you sneeze, you know. I can't vouch that you're fake, you know.
Yeah, I got a triple king bed and I don't mind sharing. I got a big G-Wagon, I don't mind sharing.
I just hate the way my hair be curling up. If y'all got any suggestions, let me know in the comments.
We could get wild like Olivia, we could get stoned like Sharon. Bro, take care, but they push me to the point where I'm just not caring. I'm just more ready than petty nowadays. Young and in control, even when they stoop low. I see anything is anything and everything's a go. But I already know that I'm just more ready than petty nowadays. Just know, young and in control, even when they stoop low. I see anything is anything, I'm watching y'all go. I'm just more ready to
get a plus like a wallet and
Oh yeah, now I see it.
How much is it?
Where's the rest?
This first name, last name, email for your receipt. You're all set. Perfect.
No, I wasn't talking about the exact. So guys, I just came out of the, so yeah, I got my iPad, and then while I was in there, since I had the gift card, I got the Apple Pen as well. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get in the house. So guys, I'm at Walmart instead of Target because I'm just getting one thing. So, and Walmart was closer to the Apple store, so that's why I'm at here. So I guess this is like running errands because after this I gotta go to one more store. So yeah, I'll show y'all what I get from Walmart.
Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with them. Pray you get that job in time, but that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is fastest. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby, come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time.
So yeah, we just came out of Walmart, and as y'all seen in the last clip, I just got soap. So now I'm going to Michael's because I have a business idea coming, which is gonna be bracelets. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna get out of here. Alright, so I'm in a bee aisle. I don't even know which bees to get because this was like a last minute type of idea, and the bees that I was gonna get, I was gonna get a bulk of them. So I'm just looking right now. These are pretty. Or should I just get like the bag ones? Oh wait. These, and then this is the board. So guys, I am back home and I can finally show y'all what I got. So let's start off with Michael's. So I don't think I like fully explained what I was getting, but I want to start, like, you know, doing bracelets and stuff. So hopefully this little starter kit I have here will help out. So first I got this string. I just went in there and got it. I didn't actually do research on it, so hopefully this is the right one and it works good. Then, as y'all seen, I said I was going to get this. It was $10. It was like starter kit for like a couple beads, but the ones I really want is like come in a big bulk, like a what's it called, wholesale. So I'm gonna start off with this first, and then if I do good with it, then I'm gonna buy the wholesale. So yeah, this is the beads. And I like how it already comes in like a package thing, so I won't have to buy like a separate thing to keep the beads in. And then last but not least is the bracelet board. So I basically just pour the beads in one of these, like I think one size is for kids and it's like the regular adult size. And once the beads are filled up, then you just put it on a string, so it automatically like measures the wrist, I guess. So yeah, that's that. And with this, I just want to like go live on TikTok. I've seen people doing it recently, and that's how they sell their beads. So after I get those set up, I'm gonna get my website set up. Like I already bought the brand name. I just gotta set everything up. But yeah. Oh, and this I had stopped at 7-Eleven that I didn't record, and I got these. They're supposed to be Dippin' Dots, but they call it mini melts, and it looked like it's melting already. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and eat this. And it already comes with a spoon in here. Ooh. I love birthday cake flavor stuff. Like in one of my last vlogs, when I had the Cold Stone, that was a birthday cake one. So yeah, this is the bracelet stuff. I'm gonna actually put it back in the bag. And now the moment we all been waiting for is the iPad. So let's start with the pencil. So this is the 2nd generation, and it says $129, but I paid more. I paid $130 something. So. And then of course the iPad. It's the 5th generation iPad Air, and I got the 256 gigabytes because I need a lot of space for editing these videos for y'all. So yeah, and then I don't know if I already said it, but it's the lavender color. So pretty. First, let me take a, oh, not they got my name on here. But I want to take a picture of this before I do unboxing it. Hold up. This is so cute. Alright, let's start with opening this. So the Apple Pen is Bluetooth, I think. So as I set this up, I got set up the iPad. What comes in here? I don't know. I never had a Apple Pen before. Well, I don't think I know nobody with an Apple Pen, so I don't know. And this is how it is in here. Ooh. Take this plastic off. So yeah, and I haven't bought no case for the iPad yet because I want to buy it off Amazon because they was cheaper. Because when I was in the Apple store, I was looking for a case, but it's like I'm not paying that much for a case. So now here is the iPad. And let me know in the comments, do y'all save your like Apple product boxes? Because I definitely do. So I don't know, like I'm not throwing this away. Hold on, I want to actually let y'all see me opening it. Ooh. Let's see.
No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, we party every weekend, so on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Why you move faster? Yeah, me casa.
So it's actually did. I gotta charge it up, but the purple did not look like this online. It looked more purplish, but right now on like the camera it looks gray, but it is purple. So yeah, I'm gonna charge this up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. The iPad got a little charge to it. It's now at 79%, and yeah, let's set this bad boy up. So English, United States. Let me, so y'all can see it better. 1 second. Okay, this is better. So bring your current iPad near this. So I want to set up manually. Connect it to my Wi-Fi.
Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. The flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the hit is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. Just sad as shit is I'm bad as it means they took from the cabinet.
Alright guys, so I finished setting up my iPad. I just downloaded everything I needed, like Canva, CapCut, YouTube of course, Phonto, Procreate, and picsart. So yeah, I just in the last clip y'all saw me putting the stuff that I don't need in a folder because it was in a way. So yeah, now I'm just going to decorate my iPad and go on Amazon and order me a case for it. And yeah, this will conclude today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching to the end. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for me right now. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. So, bye.
Are you gorgeous? You gorgeous. 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 You gorgeous. You gorgeous. 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 You gorgeous. You gorgeous. 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 You gorgeous. You gorgeous. 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 You gorgeous.